ये कविता कहाँ रह गई? ना जाने कौन सी गणित लगाने बैठ गई है ये, अभी तक नहीं आई। कविता कहाँ हो तुम? अरे कविता, कहाँ रह गई थी तुम? कौन सी कैलकुलेशन करने बैठ गई थी?
अरे कैलकुलेशन ही तो कर रही थी। अरे आप वो सब छोड़ो, आपको पता है अभी क्या हुआ?
क्या हुआ?
ये जो पास वाली बर्गर शॉप है ना, मैं वहाँ पे गई थी। मैंने अंकल से पूछा एक बर्गर कितने का है। उन्होंने कहा पूरे 50 रुपीज़ का। मैंने कहा नहीं नहीं, मैं नहीं लूँगी, थोड़ा तो डिस्काउंट दीजिए।
तो फिर क्या तुमने बर्गर नहीं लिया?
नहीं नहीं, मैं पूरे 2 बर्गर लेके आई, वो भी 100 रुपीज़ के प्रॉफिट के साथ। पूछो वो कैसे?
100 रुपीज़ के प्रॉफिट के साथ 2 बर्गर, वो कैसे?
फिर अंकल ने कहा ठीक है, तुम्हें डिस्काउंट ही चाहिए ना, तो उन्होंने मुझे एक बर्गर 100 का और दूसरा बर्गर पूरा फ्री दे दिया। तो हुआ ना पूरे 100 रुपीज़ का प्रॉफिट।
ओहो कविता, ओहो कविता, ऐसा बर्गर ना ही खाएं तो अच्छा है, सेहत के लिए भी और पॉकेट के लिए भी। लेकिन अगर तुम्हें अबेकस के बारे में पता होता तो तुम्हारे साथ ऐसा ना होता।
अब ये अबेकस क्या है?
Abacus is a manual tool used to keep track of numbers and perform mathematical operators. It is being used all over the world for about 4,000 years, and even in this digital era, it is still being used in various fields like accounting and education. Today, we are very much honored to have our little young talents who have dedicated their efforts to the art of abacus, and they will demonstrate how their fingers swiftly move over complex calculations. So it's time to welcome our tiny miny calculators on the stage.
Very good evening to everyone. Now, these little kids will show you their calculating skills through the method of abacus. Are you ready, kids? Nandi, please come forward for 1-digit direct sum of 12 rows on abacus at the speed of 1 second. Start. 5, 2, 1, -6, 7, -5, -3, 8, -6, 5, -7, 5. Nandini, your answer?
6.
Your answer? Well done, correct answer. Thank you, Nandini. Now, they all will visualize 15 rows. 1-digit sum at the speed of 1 second. Ready, everyone? Start the sum. 8, -6, 2, -3, 7, -6, 5, 2, -3, 2, -7, 6, -5, 1, 5. Your answer? Your answer? Yes, correct answer. Now, Arya will come forward for multitasking. She will visualize the sum while reciting a beautiful poem. Come, Arya, please. Come, Arya, here. Yes, beta, start the poem. Louder. Start. 7, -6, 5, 2, -5, 6, -8, 7, -6, 5.
अच्छे प्यारे दादाजी, सबसे न्यारे दादाजी।
Aryav, your answer? 7, your answer? Well done, correct answer. Thank you, Aryav, so much. Now, Krishna Pal will come forward for 2-digit direct sum of 6 rows on abacus. Start. 78, -61, 52, minus 14, 24, minus 15. Your answer?
60.
Good, answer is correct. Now this is one digit advance very fast sum on the speed of 0.5 second. Ready, Dania? 3, 8, 3, 4, 3 plus 5 minus 2, 1 minus 6, 8. Your answer?
27.
Let's check the sum. Great, very good, Dania, well done. So fast he is. Okay. Now Dania, this is 3 digits direct sum of 3 rows on 3 second speed. Are you ready? 874 minus 623 plus 135.
386.
Great, well done beta. Answer is correct. Now I would like to take one digit sum from the guests. There are some sums written on the paper. So sir, please tell me the sum number. I have same copy. I can speak that sum. I am taking one sum from the audience. 6 number sum. Okay, ma'am. Okay, students, ready? 5, 4, minus 2, 1, minus 6, 5, 2, minus 8, 7, minus 5, 6, minus 8. This is random sum. Your answer?
1.
Yes, this answer is correct. Ma'am, please tell, is it correct or wrong?
Yes, it's correct.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Now, Dana will show you the skill of multiplication through abacus method. Start the sum. 38 into 2.
76.
Good. Correct answer, Danya. Next sum, please. 77 into 6.
462.
Good. Next sum. 60 into 5.
300.
Good, correct answer. Excuse me, please. Now there are some papers and pen. Please give me this type of sum. 2 digit into 1 digit. Any 2, 3 sums. She will visualize. I can't. ओके दानिया सम आ चुके हैं हमारे पास. लेट्स चेक योर कैपेबिलिटीज. यस मैम लगा दो. प्लीज कोई बात नहीं. या 79 into 5.
395.
Yes ma'am, is it correct? Please everyone open your calculators. Is it correct ma'am? Okay. Next sum. 84 into 3.
252.
Great, this is also correct. Ma'am, you can check. Next sum. 20 into 5.
100.
Right. Ma'am, you have checked now. These all are correct. Well done, Dania. Thank you, Dania.
Yes, well done, all are correct.
Now, thank you so much, everyone.